beautiful memories, okay, in the form of lot many photographs collected at one place. So can Kaina tell me, what does a collection of photograph called as?
Album.
Very good. It is an album. Good. An album of photograph. Now, please put today's date on your register and start writing various collective nouns. And I may ask anyone randomly to send me the photograph on my WhatsApp. Okay, so you shouldn't be missing it out. Especially,
And we have to write this.
Hanji beta, you have to
An
write
album of
your
photographs.
register. Put today's date also.
Ma'am, please tell again what we have to do.
Beta, what is there on your screen? You have to write that only.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to continue with tomorrow's work or a new work.
If there is a space left, you can continue from there by putting today's date. If not, then of course you can start from a new page.
Okay. I'm done.
Very good. Okay, for this picture, I want Aragya to share the photograph. And side by side, I will mark your attendance on the app also, in case you do not show me your assignments or the work that I have asked you. I will mark you absent, and that day's video will not be available to you. So make sure you do things nicely. Okay. So Aragya, send me the photograph.
Ma'am, I got tomorrow's video, yesterday's video.
Very good, beta. I got it, Aragya.
Ma'am, I not got that yesterday's video.
Anshika, once you refresh it, you will get it. Okay, because I have uploaded this afternoon only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now here we have collection of soldiers. So Vivan is going to tell me what is a collection of such soldiers is called as.
Army.
Very good. So the answer is army, troop, battalion of soldiers. All three words can be used for such a collection. And mind it, your spellings play a very important role. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or on Monday, we are going to put you on an test portal, which is going to be a real-time test portal. You have to open your Skillwise app at 6, and as ever I direct you. So you will see a test coming up, and then you have to answer it in real time. Your answers will get the result then. Tomorrow or maybe on Monday, I will intimate you when. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Divyam, Hitisha, especially, please keep, and Avni, keep track of your spellings, because that matters a lot in ESL, and you know that, right, Hitisha? Avni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I hope the same mistakes would not get repeated. Now for this one, who will send me the picture? That is Rayansh. Please send me the picture if you have written it.
Okay.
I'm moving to the next picture now. Okay, we can see a picture of judge, right? When such judges come in collection, can Anshika tell me what is the collection of judge is called as?
Ma'am, group.
Group of judges. Okay. Aradhya, can you tell me?
Ma'am, court.
Sorry? Coat.
coat.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarvil, can you tell me? Sarvil, can you tell me, beta?
I'm judge.
Judge.
Ma'am, coat of judges.
I didn't get your point.
Ma'am, court of judges.
Court of judges. Okay. Hitisha has raised her hand. Hitisha, please tell me what is it?
Ma'am, panel or bench of judges.
Panel of judges.
See, I have sent.
Yes, I have seen it. Very good, beta. Okay. Now,
See, my reply I have also sent.
Samriddhi has sent in okay, in this chat. Yes, very good. So most two of you are correct. It's not actually group. Aragya, please understand. Even if we take things, even if we take people, or even if we take animals, in general, collection means group only. So group is a general word. But as a students, if we are learning collective nouns, we should know the specific names of those groups. Okay. So group is a general word, but specific group should be learnt by you. So like yesterday we did like flock of sheep, right? Similarly, we did, collection of photographs, album of photographs, right? Similarly, for judge, it's not going to be group of judge, but it is going to be the one bench of judges. It should be judges, bench.
What is the meaning of bench?
It's a collection, beta. It's the name of the collective noun or the group of judges. Okay. And another word, as Hitisha says, it can be panel. And wait, beta, when I'm speaking, please do not intrude. It can be panel and it can be jury also. Another words are panel or jury. Apart
Ma'am, please
from,
tell the spelling.
I am writing it in the chat box. Before unmuting, please use the chat box. If I find it worthy, I will ask you to unmute. But before that, please do not unmute yourself. Okay. So it is going to be either panel of judges or it is going to be the jury of judges. And last is bench, which you are already seeing. All the three are acceptable. Okay, Aradhya. Yes, Kaina, I've already said it can be panel also. So I hope you have written it. I want this time Panav to send me the photograph of the collective noun you have written and mention all the three: bench, panel, and jury. I want all of them. Somebody has sent a request on the app with the name Shil, Shil. Please confirm me who is it in case you are present in the class with any other device. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Panav, that is on you. I'm waiting for your response, else I would not mark you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, look at this. When a group of girls, beautiful girls, are together, they are called as, raise your hand if anybody knows it. Ridyanshi, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hitisha?
No, just thinking.
Okay. Aradhya knows it. Aradhya, tell me.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, it is known as baby.
Yes.
Ma'am, baby also that.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, giggle. I'm giggle.
It's a bevy of
Baby.
ladies and girls. Okay. We can use bevy for swans also. Generally, a living creature which is beautiful in appearance and they are collected together, it is being termed as bevy. So, bevy of swans and bevy of beautiful ladies. Swans are also beautiful creatures. Okay, that's why they are being called as bevy. Okay, and as we can see here, girls are also beautiful here. Then that's why bevy of ladies, beautiful ladies especially mentioned.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kirti.
Ma'am, it is also giggle.
A giggle refers to the laughter of something. So it is generally assigned to the babies.
Okay, ma'am.
A giggle of babies. Panav, I have received it, bitte. Now next. Okay, look at these people. Can you guess who are they? Or what could be their profession? Avni? Yeah.
Ma'am, business.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ma'am, are they employees?
They are employers. Yes, they are directors. Okay.
Ma'am, staff.
Not, yeah, the higher staff. Okay. So the group of such directors who start a company, they are being called as a board of directors.
Director.
Yes. And who is going to send me the picture now is Pooja.
Ma'am, on Monday there is our collective
Priyansh,
noun test.
I will confirm this thing towards the end of the class. Let's not disturb the flow right now. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Now look at this. Hens. Collection of hens.
Ma'am, can I tell Avni?
Yes, and especially they're not hens because can you see the crown on their head?
Yes, ma'am. They are cock.
Yes, or a rooster. Very good, Hitisha. So yes,
ma'am, fox.
Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Fox.
Can you tell the
Yes,
collective nouns?
yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
the
is
collective
a fox.
the roosters are a herd of roosters.
Ma'am, it is a fox.
Divyam is saying something.
Ma'am, brood.
Brood.
Ma'am, fox. Brood. Ma'am, fox.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Divyam is a
Ma'am,
cock.
fox.
Beta, I have heard. Yes, yes, yes. So
Can we say brood?
yes, we can say that also.
Ma'am, herd is used for animals.
Yes, for herbivorous animals, as I told the other day also.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is going to be a brood of chickens. Okay, a brood of chickens. Pooja, I haven't received your answer as yet. Next is on Nitin. Nitin, write it and send it to me. One by one, I need responses from both of you, Pooja and Nitin. Pooja, switch on your video, bete. Has everyone written? Show me a thumbs up if you have. Very good, Hitisha.
Yes.
Okay, Sarvil, Samriddhi. Please put lower your hands, everyone, on the screen so that I can get the correct signals. Samriddhi, lower down your hand also. Okay. Next is flowers. Quite easy.
Okay.
Divyam, tell me.
Yes.
Please do not unmute without asking Hridyanshi. Divyam, tell me what is the group of flowers called as?
Ma'am, Divyam can tell.
Divyam only can tell.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Flowers. Ma'am,
Sorry.
can I tell? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
bouquet.
Very good, Divyam. Very good. Yes, Dakshit, what is it?
ma'am, bouquet.
Very good. It is not called as bouquet. It is bouquet. And the spelling of bouquet is not BOOKEY. It is BOUQUET. Remember, spellings play a very, very important role. And they can be a part of your test too. Okay. Kirti, you just need to click the photograph and send it to me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, and send it in on your personal number.
Yes, beta. On what?
Ma'am, can you repeat the spelling of bouquet?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you repeat the spelling of bouquet, please?
Beta, can you see it on the screen? Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
PPT is not visible.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Ma'am, it is visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
Ma'am, now it is visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can also say as bun.
Bun or bunch?
I'm bun.
Yes.
Can we say bun?
Bunch. Yes, we can say that. So here are some friends chilling out. Okay. Group of such friends can be called as what? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, Divyam can tell.
Radhyanshi, tell me.
Ma'am, party.
Party. Okay. Let's see. Oh, actually, it was about bananas, not the friends. So, bunch of grapes or bananas. Rudyanshi is also laughing. I got confused actually. So, that's bunch of grapes or bunch of bananas. Okay, Kiran, I've got it. Nitin and Pooja, I'm marking you absent for the day in case you would not be giving me the photographs of what you have written. In case there is any problem, do let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pooja.
ma'am, I will send on Skillwise app.
No, you have to send it on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
And Nitin, ask Nitin also to do the same.
Ma'am, we can send.
What, Divyam? Divyam, I'm going to remove you from this meeting because I see you eating pen every now and then. This is the practice you are following since yesterday. So I'm sorry, but I'm removing you from the meeting.
Ma'am, now I will not do this again.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
And if it is noticed again, then immediately I will remove you without even telling you.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next one. I want Amitabh to answer this. Amitabh,
Yes, ma'am.
please answer this one.
And please ask the question.
Bundle.
Is the group of sticks.
Ma'am, bundle.
Dakshit, please
Ma'am?
mute yourself, beta. Abhi, I'm asking Amitabh.
Ma'am, bundle.
Yes, it is bundle. Nobody will unmute unless you are asked to do so. Okay. So it is a bundle of sticks. And I want Dakshit to send it to me by clicking the photograph on my WhatsApp. Nitin, you have not written after a board of directors, and spelling of directors is also incorrect. Both of you have written wrong spelling. DIRECTORS. Please make sure the spelling is correct. And other responses should be there. Where have you written brood of chickens and bouquet of flowers and bunch of grapes? All these things also need to be added in it. Okay. I may take another round and ask you to send me the picture, then whole entire sentences should be in front of me. Okay. Now this is bundle of sticks which Dakshit has to send. Now look at this. The answer is already.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we say a bunch of
Bunch of sticks.
Sticks?
No, 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 no. It has to be bundle only. Okay. And look at this events. Events refers to the various programs that happen. Like
Yes, ma'am.
now I will ask you people some question. Let's talk to Kaina. No, let's talk to Dakshit. Dakshit has not given response as of now. So Dakshit, when it is somebody's wedding, generally what all functions do we have until the wedding arrives? Have you understood the question, Bete?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, I'm actually asking Dakshit. Daksh, it's Dakshit who has to unmute. Dakshit, beta, tell me what all programs. Please mute. What all events happen when there is a wedding in somebody's home? What all functions happen? Dakshit, can you name some of the events that happen before the wedding day? Dakshit. Okay, now are you speaking or you are not speaking so that I can give chance to somebody else, Bete? You need to just name the programs that happen in somebody's home before a wedding. Okay, Kaina is writing celebration, but I'm asking the names of those programs. Hitisha, tell me.
Ma'am, it is Sagai,
Yeah.
Lady Sangeet, Lagan, and
Very good. Yeah, Reyansh is also writing. Ghadi, Ghadoli, okay, Roka, very good. Engagement, cocktail, very good. Haldi, Mehendi, engagement, yes. So they all come, together. And it is a moment of celebration. All the events come together. So when all the events are in line, the collection of those events is called as chain of events. Okay, so you can say to somebody that before my brother's wedding or before my sister's wedding, there is a chain of events that I have attended, or that there is chain of events that we people organized. Okay, you like those chain of events before wedding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, it actually, I know, but all of us are all missing this, no? Because nobody can go anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just
Ma'am, but
imagine. Yeah. Now, who will give this response to me? I want Divyam to send the picture.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And I should be seeing all the previous ones also. Okay. Next, a group of drawers. Sir will tell me. A group of drawers is called as? Any idea?
Ma'am, can I have me?
Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, it could be
Ma'am, cupboard.
Cupboard. Okay. Avni?
Ma'am cupboard or ma'am and Almira.
Ma'am, I know this answer. Can I tell?
Ma'am, I have also said it.
Yes, Samruddhi?
Ma'am, it is a chest of drawers.
Very good. It's a chest of drawers. Yes, chest of drawers, a collection of drawers, one below the another. That is called as a chest of drawers. And now Aradhya will click the picture and send it to me. All the responses that you have recorded before and now.
Ma'am, I already sent first one.
No, I'm saying Aradhya, not Aragya.
Ma'am, I have sent.
I have not received yet, Bete. Have you sent it on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it might take some time. I haven't got it yet. So all of you must be having a chest of drawers at your home. Do you have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have chest of drawers in your study table?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I have now.
Okay, now I'm going to take it into some spoken. Panav, tell me, what do you keep in your chest of drawers? What different things do you keep in these chest of drawers?
Sketch pens.
Sketch pens and
Ma'am, can I?
okay, everybody will get chance.
Ma'am,
One person speak completely, beta. Yes, Panav, tell me.
ma'am, books.
Books, okay. What else?
Toys.
Sorry?
Ma'am, toys.
Toys, yes. Okay, now Dakshit will tell me. Dakshit is here or has he left? Amitabh, you tell me, what do you keep in the chest of drawers? Okay, Aragya.
Ma'am, on my this phone, I have the number. So can I send after the class?
You do not have the number, or you can just show it in the camera. I'll see to it.
Ma'am, I keep books, toys, and etc.
And etc. What is etc. that you keep in the chest of drawers?
Ma'am, like crazy toys, balls.
Okay, crazy toys, crazy balls.
Ma'am, please see my work.
Yeah, Aradhya, I can see that. I've spotlighted it even. Yes, okay, good. Reyansh, tell me, what do you keep in the chest of drawers?
Ma'am, stationery. Ma'am,
Mhm.
books.
Okay, that's it.
Ma'am, and toy also.
Okay, and Kirti, what do you keep in the chest of drawers?
Ma'am, stationery, sketch pen, and ma'am, some medicines are there. Ma'am, books, notebooks, and ma'am, etc. etc.
Okay, now this is a learning for all of you. Whenever you are speaking with anybody, and there are so many things to mention, like you are giving me the list of toys, stationery, never use the word etc. because etc. is not a thing. It is good to write, but it is not good to speak. Okay, so we will never use the expression etc. Now I'm going to change the question for Anshika. Anshika, tell me, what does your mother keep in the chest of drawers in kitchen?
Ma'am, spoons, plates, cooker, and many utensils are there, ma'am.
Okay. Raina, you tell me, what does your mother keep in the chest of drawers in kitchen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, utensils,
Hmm.
kitchen tools.
Hmm. It's good you have stopped speaking, etc. I noticed that you were about to speak, etc., and that then you stopped yourself. Very good, Raina.
Spoons, plates.
Okay. Bowls.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Like when we are writing, so we use etc. for more things, and when we are speaking, we can't use etc. So can we use that some things we send, then we say, and many more things? Is
Yes,
this
and many more things, and like things. Like things also is an expression. Okay. Food items, Kaina is saying. Okay. Now the next chest of drawers. Okay, who is going to tell me the next one?
Ma'am, can you see my reply? What I keep in chest of drawers?
Necklace, hair bands, lipstick, makeup kit, kajal. Okay. What is that? EAM?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Ridyanshi, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, a hedge of bushes. Ma'am, I have written you some.
Hedge of bushes. Okay. Well, I can see some big trees here instead of bushes. Bushes are this small area, but this is a collection of trees.
Ma'am, can I tell you its answer?
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Aragya, please tell, beta.
Ma'am, forest.
Very good. That can also be considered. However, most of the time,
Orchard.
or very good.
Ma'am, is it woodland?
Okay, now listen to me. Sarvil, we did it yesterday, and I really appreciate you. You have taken up that word. But orchard is of those trees which have got fruits. Okay, when the trees
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not bearing fruits, then it is being called as a clump of trees.
Clump.
Yes, when the trees are, so close together, then it is being referred to as clump of trees. Now, Dakshit is going to send it to me by clicking the picture. Divyam, I noted that. I noted that, Divyam, you put the pen's cap in your mouth. Shall I remove you now?
Ma'am, I am opening the pen.
That is not the right way of opening the pen.
And because I one hand in my there is phone.
Okay. Okay, so now I want, who is going to send it to me? Dikshit, yes. Sorry, Dakshit. Next is eggs, a group of eggs. So I want, Daksh has left. Samriddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
group of eggs.
Ma'am, group of eggs.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I
I-
tell?
Sarvil,
Ma'am, clutch.
very good. Where is Vivan? Is Vivan in the meeting?
Ma'am, can it be a nest?
No, nest is a place to keep the eggs, but it is a clutch of eggs. Very good, Sarvil. That's a clutch of eggs.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what was for the judges, ma'am? Actually, I forgot to write.
Jury, panel, or bench. And this is clutch of eggs. Next is
Ma'am, what is this? Please tell.
Ma'am, can I tell Avni?
yes, Avni.
Ma'am, it is for the pilots or ma'am who drive the ship.
Okay, we do not drive the ship.
And there
Ma'am, driving the ship is captain.
Okay, do you drive?
Navy. Ma'am, there Air
Navy.
Force.
Navy. Beta, piche, you can see that there is
There
a
is.
ship. So these are sailors, okay? And
They are Navy.
they are serving Navy. Navy means ship, okay? When you are in
Yes, ma'am.
army,
And there are army 3 types.
when you are in Air Force, okay, you are serving the land. When you are in Navy, you are serving the waters. So it's a group of sailors. So it's a crew of sailors.
Ma'am, we can say crew as crewmate.
Crewmen, yes. It's not crew, it is crew. Crewmen. Now, I want Avni to send pictures.
Okay, ma'am.
Next word and the last word of the day is ship. Okay, so the collection of ships is called as Hitisha.
Ma'am, you didn't give chance to me to send the answers.
Who?
Ma'am, Amitabh.
Please see my reply.
Amitabh, yes. So this is for yours.
Fleet.
Ma'am, please see my reply.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
that is fleet.
Yes,
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
fleet?
Ma'am, fleet.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, it's
fleet.
a fleet of ships.
yes, fleet of ships. Okay, Amitabh, that is so good to know. Your brother is in Navy. This is fleet of ships or cars. And we generally use fleet of cars only when, it is big car, black color, big car following VIP people. So that's fleet of cars.
Ma'am, yeah.
Following president, following prime ministers.
Have you received?
Yes, beta, I've received. Now it's a quick recapture.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The group of ships is called as fleet of ships. So those who have not written, they can write it again. A crew of sailors, a clutch of eggs, a clump of trees, a chest of drawers, chain of events, bundle of sticks, bunch of grapes, bouquet of flowers, brood of chickens, board of directors, a bevy of beautiful girls, bench, panel, or jury of judges, army, troop, or battalion of soldiers, an album of photographs.
I would have written the last one of sailors.
Written 122 collective nouns.
22.
Ma'am, 122.
You have done.
There was 15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written 122 collective nouns.
Very good.
Excuse me.
Who has any doubt? Please ask me.
Ma'am,